How to fix touchpad not working on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if your touchpad is not working on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, click on your search icon and in the search bar, search for Device Manager and open it up. Now once you have opened up your device manager, so first of all what you have to do is head towards the mice and other pointing devices and expand this. Now here go to the HID complaint mouse, click on it, right click on it, and now from here go to update driver. Here click on search automatically for drivers, and here it says the drivers are already installed, and now click on close. Now once you have done that, now head towards the human interface devices and expand this. Here now you have to go to HID complaint touchpad. Here right click on it. Now click on update drivers. Here again similarly click on search automatically for drivers. Here it says the base driver for your device are already installed. Now close this, and if this does not work out for you, again go to the HID complaint touchpad, right click on it. Now go to update driver. So from here you have to go to browse my computers for driver, click on it. Now from here click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now here you have to select each one by one and then click on next and update one by one. Now once you have done that, go back and look if your device is or if your problem is solved or not. If still not, then what you have to do is again go to the HID complaint touchpad, right click on it, and now you have to uninstall this device. So click on uninstall. Once you uninstall it, you will not be able to find this HID complaint touchpad. Now again to reinstall it, what you have to do is go to the action, click on action, and from here go to scan for hardware changes. Once you do that, again you will be able to find the HID complaint touchpad. That means you have reinstalled it. Once you have done that, close your device manager. After that, restart your Windows 11 and your problem will be solved. So in that way you can fix your touchpad problem in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.